Let's record your first deposit in Flare. Click Bank. Click the Create Check drop-down and click Create Deposit. Select an account. You can keep the deposit number Flare generates for you, or you can click Deposit Number Settings. Choose a custom prefix, a custom deposit number, and a custom suffix. If Auto-Generate Deposit Numbers is checked, Flare will increment the deposit number from the last number you entered. Let's let Flare create the deposit numbers for us. Click Cancel. Enter a reference number if you have one. Select a Chart of Accounts category and select the payee's name. Enter the deposit amount and choose a tax. You can also create a tax on the fly. To create an individual tax, click Add New Tax. Enter the tax name and enter a rate. If it's a compound tax, click the compound checkbox. Click Save. Any tax you create will now appear in the tax dropdown, and you can select it. But if more than one tax is being charged, add these taxes to a tax group. To create the tax group, click Add New Tax Group and enter a tax group name and select the taxes that belong to the group. And click Save. Then choose the group tax from the tax dropdown. Notice that Flare calculates the tax from the deposit amount entered. Enter an optional memo and click Save. Here's how you apply a deposit to an existing invoice. Click Bank, choose the bank account, and click Create Deposit. Select the account, in this case, Accounts Receivable. Notice that the Invoice field prompts you to select an invoice. Click the drop-down and select the invoice. Click Select and enter the deposit amount and choose a tax. Enter an optional memo and click Save. Now let's view Joe Jackson's invoice, the invoice we've just paid. Click Sales, Invoices, and you can see that the invoice is now marked as paid.